Operando characterizations are advanced characterization that recently have having a huge impact on the materials characterization. They can be applied to study functional materials, specifically electrochemical testing under different probing. So we can have TM like the probe source, and we can use electrons to monitor what is going on the catalyst side during its electrochemical activity. There are other interesting techniques like Raman spectroscopy, XPS, XRD, and others. The concept is equal for all, so we test these materials with the electrolyte under biasing, and we observe the transformation, structural, morphological, compositional transformation of these materials as the electrochemical testing is proceeding, and particularly TEM as the resolution that is towards the atomic scale. So very interesting technique to be applied in this framework to test how and if the material is being changing as the electrochemical activity is being performed. Among different operando characterization techniques, we selected electrochemical liquid phase TEM because it's giving the opportunity to follow the possible modification of the catalyst under electrochemical biasing, with the possibility given by this technique to follow and monitor the morphological, structural, and compositional behavior of these materials, putting in evidence by imaging what the material is experiencing under the electrochemical biasing. What we find out applying this technique to the analysis of the catalyst developed in Sancochem has been very interesting. We spent a lot of time to optimize the experimental setup to be fitting the experimental needs of these specific experiments. But what we got finally are results that are very comparable to what are the findings at the lab scale, so lower TRL, TRL3, TRL4. So what are the electrochemical parameters used in the lab scale have been used in the setup, and also we tried to reach the targets of the project, being able to follow the catalyst modification. So now that the project is consolidated in terms of ideas and concepts and results, we can say that it was successful analysis because we are able to tell what is in the middle, not only the starting point, not only the final point that are the normal characterization, but also what is in the middle. So how the material was changing and how we can discuss the results of the lab scale in view of what we observed by our experiments.